In a sunlit classroom that becomes a ship, a diverse group of curious kids sails into a magical world born of imagination. They meet friendly whimsy like bubble-wing frogs and clock-eyed tortoises, who present puzzles that require teamwork and kindness. When a riddle cloud blocks their path, the team blends science, art, and empathy to map a solution together. Each creature shares a clue about helping others, turning a challenge into a chance to practice listening and sharing ideas. By sunset, they return home with new friendships, fresh creativity, and a pledge to brighten someone else's day.